We begin tonight with a battle over reproductive rights in Michigan unfolding all day in a Pontiac courtroom. The hearing is wrapped up, and the judge in the case says his decision will come tomorrow morning at 10:30.
That comes after a day and a half of rather exhaustive back and forth from a number of attorneys over an injunction that prevents county prosecutors in Michigan from charging under the state's 1931 ban on abortions. Grant Herms live in Pontiac. Grant, the judge has a lot to go over here in just a few hours.
Yeah, Devin, Kimberly, a full day and a half of hearing witness testimony, and today some of the most dramatic statements that we have heard in court so far. Day 2 in court in Oakland County with witnesses back on the stand. First up, the lawyers for Governor Gretchen Whitmer, calling to the stand a West Michigan doctor who says she's worried about treating situations like ectopic pregnancies and some types of miscarriages.
It creates a significant area of concern, whereas the standard of care to which physicians are accustomed to and trained to perform could potentially, by meeting that standard of care, physicians could potentially be exposed to criminal liability.
But it was mostly a day for the lawyers for the defendants, 13 prosecutors being sued by the governor, calling their witnesses, including a controversial researcher, Priscilla Carey Coleman, whose research has been called into question by major medical groups and courts.
When women have an abortion compared to a birth or not having a reproductive outcome, there's an 81% increased risk for mental health problems.
And tempers flared as their other witness, a Michigan OBGYN who said women should enjoy their pregnancies even in instances of rape or incest.
These are not proper objections, Your Honor. He's harassing my client. He can
He's
disagree with
asking
her.
Questions on cross-examination. He's entitled to ask. It has not been asked, and there has not been a chance for the witness to answer.
It is not a question.
Mr. Kalman, please do not interrupt me while I'm speaking either.
Sorry, Your Honor.
A heated second day in court with a ruling yet to be made.
Is there an
And as you heard, that ruling is expected to come down at 10:30 tomorrow. We'll be back in court to bring you the very latest details. But first, coming up at 6 o'clock, you will hear the closing arguments from both sides here as they make their case one last time to the judge before he makes that ruling tomorrow morning. In Pontiac, Grant Herms, Local 4.